do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. If you're an existing subscriber, then welcome back to my channel. So you guys have been wanting to see a makeup video on my channel and a fashion video. So I thought, why not make a get ready with me video for you guys, because I've been wanting to do this for a while now, and yeah, just the timing was right. So let's get started. So right now I'm just gonna do my makeup, and yeah, I'll show you guys what all I use on my face. So right now I'm not wearing any makeup. It's just a lip balm on my lips. It's from Maybelline Baby Lips. So I'm currently wearing that and nothing else on my face. So first thing first, I'll moisturize my face. We'll start with this. I'll moisturize my face with a Blink Later Illuminating Moisturizer by Dry Sugar. This is how it looks. So yes, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, and then I'm gonna put it on my face. I have a mirror in front of me, so I'm just gonna look at it and do my makeup. So I hope you guys understand. Never forget your neck. Anything you apply on your face should go on your neck as well, because otherwise it looks very different. So we won't want that. Now I'm done with my moisturizer. Next thing I'm going to use is a primer by Dry Sugar. It's called Base of Glory Pore Minimizing Primer by Dry Sugar. So I'm going to take a little bit of this. I've taken this much. So I'm done with my priming, and now I'm going to use Drop the Base Serum Foundation by Dry Sugar. This foundation is really nice. I'm just going to take a little bit of it. I use my finger for foundation because it works for me. But today I'm going to use a brush because it's a better way of applying makeup. So I'm just going to do that. The coverage is really nice. I think just one coat is more than enough, because I'm just going to go out right now and I'm not going for a party, so I'm just keeping it really light. For summers I use foundation. For winters I use Giordani by Oriflame. It's a CC cream. It has SPF 35, so this is also really nice. So it depends on my mood what I want to use on my face. But Dry Sugar one is also really nice. So now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to use concealer. It's by Oriflame. It's called Everlasting Concealer. I'm just gonna use on the problematic areas of my face. Lighting is good, otherwise you can see my dark circles here, humongous. But I'm trying to sleep on time. So hopefully it gets better with time. I don't have a blender with me, so I lost my blender. So I'm just gonna use brush and always dab, because it helps to place the concealer at the right place. So I'm just gonna keep dabbing till I achieve a finished look. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna set my concealer with a setting powder. It's from Color Essence. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this. Now I'm going to use a compact powder by Dry Sugar. I'm going to use the applicator given with it. Just gonna apply it lightly. Never forget your neck. And I'm done. So the next thing I'm gonna apply is a little bit of blush. It's a Primark blush. I've talked about this in previous video. You can go and check it out. Just gonna apply a little bit. It's a beautiful color, as you can see. I love it, and it's really light on my face, so I love using this one. Now I'm gonna fill my eyebrows with Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna use this spoolie to brush my brows. I have pretty thick brows, so I use it really lightly. I don't want to go overboard with it. So yeah, I think this works. So I'm now gonna use this eyelash curler to curl my lashes. It's from Vega. I'm gonna link everything down below so you can go and check it out. So I'm now gonna do my eyes, and I'm gonna use this eyeliner by Try Sugar. It's called I Want You So Double Matte Eyeliner, and I really love it. I'm gonna do my eyeliner off camera. Please bear with me. And I'm done with my eyeliner. I kept it really thin, as you can see, and I'm really liking it. Now I'm going to apply mascara. I'm going to use Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. It's really nice. This bend to it which helps in covering all the eyelashes. So it's really nice. Don't forget the lower lashes. So now I'm going to do my lips. And I use this lipstick from Nykaa. It's called Le Bondi. It's really nice. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. It's a really long lasting lipstick and I absolutely love it. See the color, it's really amazing. Now I'm going to use this blush palette by Revolution for a little bit of highlighting. It has these beautiful colors, as you can see. I'm gonna use this one for a little bit of highlighting, and it's really light. Like, it just gives you a little bit of shine, and that's about it. I also like to apply it as an eyeshadow. It gives you a little bit of shimmer. That's about it. Because at times I don't like to use eyeshadows, so I just apply this and it gives me a little bit of shine, and that's it. So that's it for my makeup. Now I'm gonna dress up and show you guys what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this orange top and it's beautiful. It looks amazing. I don't have a lot of tops in orange color, so I thought why not get this one, and it looks amazing. I got it from Undi and you can go and check it out. Yeah, it looks amazing, and I'm not gonna tuck it in. I like it this way. And these sandals from Hush Puppies, and yeah, this is how my outfit looks. So this is the bag I'm gonna carry. I'm wearing this chain with my name initial on it and normal earrings and my regular bracelet paired with a Forever 21 bracelet. So this is how my entire look looks. So this is the entire outfit of the day. I think it's a really casual but classy outfit, and yeah, I hope you guys liked it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section what all you guys want me to do in my upcoming videos. I'm excited to create more content for you guys, so your views really matter to me, so do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, keep supporting, keep loving. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care, stay safe. I love you guys so much. Bye.